There is no way. The tire rubs on the suspension, I cannot move the wheel, and on top of it, they are poking out. Awesome.
I'm on a car flipping journey to be able to afford my dream car and to build this M3, but I don't have unlimited money. These wheels will either move me forward or set me back.
The tire rubs on the suspension, I cannot move the wheel, and on top of it, they are poking out. Awesome. They don't fit, they don't fit. The best part is that I paid $3,000 for these. Well, as long as I don't drive the car, they look good. But the second I start driving it, I don't think I'm gonna have any more fenders. But yeah, disappointing. So I got 4 days to figure it out before posting this video. The best part is that I went way over budget for these wheels. I'm gonna try to do the back of the car now. I'm really hoping that they fit, because if they don't, I frankly don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with these wheels. That's why they're longer, because you have... The wheel's ready to go on the hub. I am like genuinely stressed because I don't know if they don't fit. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with them. Here goes nothing. Good little kick. Oh, that's close. Oh man, I stand corrected. It fits, it actually does. So I caught a little bit of a break. It looks sick. It will for sure rub on the quarter panel, but I think if I leave the suspension as is, it will be okay. But yeah, that's pretty good news. We just have to tackle the front and see what's going on, because that's a big problem, and I cannot drive the car like this at all. I can't even move it. In case you don't know what it takes to tighten a center lock wheel, this is what it takes. I'm not gonna get into specifics. 350 foot-pounds, that equates to a gym workout. Let's get it done. Oh yeah, and you need 2 people for this. One has to slam on the brake and the other one has to tighten as hard as they can. Ready for it? So the solutions are, in regards to the rubbing, I'm gonna take a risk. I get smaller tires and I try to clear the inside of the suspension, same time to be able to clear the poke. The smaller tire size is going to help us with not rub on the suspension. So what are these wheels and why should you care? These are HARD MOTORSPORT STW, inspired by the Super Touring STW series back in the 90s. Those series was one of the most crazy series that people have ever seen. Brands such as Audi, BMW, Honda, Opel were all there, and they were fighting tooth and nail to be able to win that, because we all know you win on Sunday, you sell on Monday. So this is what these wheels are. They're a homage of the past. They're a homage of one of the craziest series of racing to ever exist. And the reason why these wheels are race inspired is because they only need 1 nut to be able to tighten them down versus 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that move in racing, instead of removing and putting back 5 bolts, they put back 1, and that saved tremendous amounts of time in the pits whenever they were changing tires. So that simple design made race teams save countless of seconds. And we all know what it is to save seconds in racing. It means the difference between winning and losing. And instead of talking about it, I'm just gonna show you why it saves so much time. Now, let's finish up the other wheel. have to say that I've only seen the wheels in the garage and not in actual natural sunlight, and they look so good. Like, I'm so happy that I bought these wheels and I went through the hassle of getting them installed. All in all, I am so happy to have bought these rare set of wheels. Car is finally starting to be like I imagined it to be. I promise you guys that in the next video, I'll get the smaller tires and then we'll be able to see the final product with all of the same wheels on the car. I'm very excited. So this is it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Before I go, I just wanted to say that I was afraid to buy these wheels, just a bit like this YouTube channel. I started it being afraid, but I wanted to do it for such a long time. I put in all my efforts, and I guess the message behind this is if you want to do something and you're afraid of it, just go do it, because you never know where you might end up. Go do the thing.